welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to play Android games on your Windows system. And we are going to be using BlueStacks 4 to do this. As some of you may know, I have always recommended BlueStacks. It really is a fantastic program, and especially with BlueStacks 4 now, they are saying it is 6 times faster than a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Which is great news for us, because we want our games to run as fast and as smooth as possible. To get BlueStacks 4, all you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to click on the download link on the top here. And you then need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, you then need to run the setup file. And you now need to click on install now. You can always click on customize installation if you want to choose where you would like to install BlueStacks, but I'm happy for it to be installed on my C drive. Once BlueStacks has finished installing, you will now end up with a window that looks like this. It's basically just starting up BlueStacks and setting it up on your machine. You now need to press sign in, and you need to sign into your Google Play account. You now need to press sign in again. You now need to type in your email address for your Google account. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can go to google.com in your web browser and create a Google account for free. Once you have signed into Google, you will then be taken to the Google Play Store where you can choose which game you would like to install to BlueStacks 4. As you can see, there are lots of games on here. You have PUBG, you have Roller Coaster Tycoon Touch, you've got Harry Potter, drag racing, there's all sorts of games. I'm just going to go ahead and install Mario World. Once your game has finished installing, you now need to click on the Home tab at the top here. And as you can see, the game is now on my desktop. Just to pre-warn you, not every game in the Google Play Store will work with BlueStacks 4. If you do want guaranteed games that do 100% work, then all you need to do is simply go down the bottom here and click on the App Center. And then you will be presented with all the games that definitely work with BlueStacks. And they also have all the keys and everything all tuned good for the game, which means you don't have to mess around with any key mapping. You can now go ahead and try and run your game. And there we go. As you can see, Mario is now running in BlueStacks 4 on my Windows PC. It really is that easy. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.